Hello everyone. Welcome back to another lecture on reasoning ability and problem solving. In today's lecture, we will discuss some exercises questions from puzzles. Now, in the previous lectures, we discussed that there are 6 types of problems that can come in your puzzles, right? Type 1 was seating arrangement. Seating arrangement had further 4 types. Comparison type puzzles, blood relation puzzles. Type 4 was sequence and order based puzzles, conditional selection based puzzles, and classification type puzzles. So, when we discussed each of these puzzles in detail, we understood the type of questions that you can get. In today's lecture, we will discuss these 3 types, that is type 1 seating arrangement, type 2 comparison type, and type 3 blood relation puzzles in detail. And in the next lecture, we will discuss the other 3. Okay, so let us start with type 1 seating arrangement. So, question is 8 boys are sitting in a row. So, in a row means this is a linear seating arrangement question, correct? This is a linear seating arrangement question. So there are 8 boys that are facing towards the north. So if they're facing towards the north, that means this will be their right side and this will be their left side, correct? This will be their right side and this will be the left side. So there are 8 boys. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 positions. Okay. It is given to us R is fifth to the right of M. Okay. R is fifth to the right of M. So, one right means basically this will be a left hand and this will be a right hand. So, R is fifth to the right. That means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One possibility. The other possibility is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And there is also a third possibility that M is over here and R is over here. Correct? This is the third possibility. It is given to us P is fifth to the right of Q. So we will hold this information. It is given to us Q is the immediate right of M. So if Q is to the immediate right of M, that means Q will be over here. In this case, Q will be over here. And in this case, Q will be over here. Now it is given to us P is fifth to the right of Q. So P is fifth to the right means 1, 2, 3, 4. P will be over here. Other possibility 1, 2, 3, 4. P will be over here. Other possibility 1, 2, 3, 4 and P will be over here, but we do not have an empty position. Therefore, this possibility is incorrect. We will consider possibility number 1 and possibility number 2. Okay. T is third to the left of P. T is third to the left. 1, 2, T will be over here. 1, 2, T will be over here. Third to the left of P. N is third to the right of S and S is an immediate neighbor of M. So if S is an immediate neighbor of M, can S come in possibility number 1? No, because over here we do not have a position, empty position. So over here we will have S. And it is given to us N is third to the right. So that means 1, 2, N will be over here. Okay. And only one position is empty. So we have already placed M, N, P, Q, R, S and T. So the only person remaining is O. So O will come over here. This will be my final arrangement. Okay. Based on this arrangement, we have to answer the question. The question says which of the following statements are correct. So we have to identify which statements are correct. First statement is N is third to the left of R. So R is over here, N is over here. N is 1, 2, 3. Third to the left of R. So this statement is correct. Okay. Statement number 2 is P is 6 to the right of M. So M is over here, P is over here. P is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 to the right of M. So this is also correct. So both these statements are correct. Let us look at the options. The option number 2 says that both statement 1 and 2 are correct. So this will be my answer. My answer will be option number 2. Okay. Coming to question number 2 of seating arrangement. Question number 2 says Drake, Pavan, Gagan, Lakshman are sitting around a circular table. So this is a question of circular table or circular seating arrangement. Correct? In circular seating arrangement, I told you that we can have 3 possibilities. First possibility, everybody is facing to the inside. Second possibility, everybody is facing to the outside. And third possibility is some people are facing inside while some people are facing outside. So in this particular question, we have 4 people, 1, 2, 3, 4 and they are facing towards the center. So 4 people, 1, 2, 3, 4, facing towards the center of the table. Drake is to the immediate right of Gagan. So if Gagan is over here, Drake is to the immediate right, so Drake will be over here. Correct? Now, Lakshman is exactly between Drake and Pavan. So Drake is over here, Pavan will be over here. And we have Lakshman exactly between them. So this will be my arrangement. We have to identify which of the following is true about the arrangement. So 4 options are given to us. We have to identify which option is true. So let me draw the arrangement over here also. Okay. We had Gagan over here. We had Drake over here. We had Pavan over here. Right? And the remaining person was Lakshman. Lakshman is over here. So this is my final arrangement. Based on this arrangement, 4 options are given to us and we have to identify which option is correct. First option says Pavan is to the immediate left of Lakshman. So Pavan is over here and Lakshman is over here. Pavan is basically to the immediate right of Lakshman, not to the left. So this statement is incorrect. Right? Then second statement says Pavan is to the immediate left of Gagan. Pavan is to the immediate left of Gagan. This is correct. So this is a correct statement. Moving on to third option. Drake is the immediate neighbor of Pavan and Gagan. No, Drake is the immediate neighbor of Gagan and Lakshman, not Pavan. Gagan and Lakshman. So this is also a incorrect statement. Right? Now, statement 4 says Drake is to the immediate left of Pavan. Drake is not to the immediate left. Drake is to the immediate, or you can say Drake is to the opposite of Pavan, not to the immediate left. Opposite of Pavan. So this statement is also incorrect. We had to find which statement is correct. So option number 2, Pavan is to the immediate left of Gagan. This statement is correct. Okay, this will be my answer. Moving on to question number 3. Question number 3 are saying 5 girls A, B, C, Z and U are sitting in a row. Row means a linear seating arrangement question. Linear seating arrangement also you can have 3 possibilities. Everybody is facing to the north. Everybody is facing to the south. Some people are facing north. Some people are facing south. There are very rare questions in which people face east and west also. Okay. So 5 girls are there that are sitting in a row facing the south. So south means they will be facing this side. So this will be the left hand and this will be the right hand. Opposite, correct? This will be the left hand and this will be the right hand. So 5 girls, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No one is sitting to the right of A. No one is sitting to the right of A. That means A sits at the rightmost position, correct? Because there is no one to the right of A. So A sits at the rightmost position. 3 girls are sitting to the left of U. So 3 girls are sitting to the left of U means U will come over here. Then only we will have 3 positions to the left of U. B is second to the left of C. B is second to the left of C. So B will come over here and C will come over here, correct? The only person remaining is Z. So Z will come over here. Now the question asks who is sitting second to the left of U. Second to the left, 1, 2. Second to the left of U, we have Z. So my answer will be option number 2, Z. Clear? My answer will be option number 2, Z. So this was again a case of linear seating arrangement. The next type of puzzles we have is comparison type puzzle. Now in comparison type puzzle, I told you that either we compare objects or we compare people, correct? Either we compare objects or we compare people. So based on what attributes can we compare? We can compare based on their weight. We can compare based on their height, how tall someone is, how short someone is. We can compare based on their income, correct? If objects are there, we can compare based on their price, their manufacturing cost, their selling cost, these type of attributes, correct? So we can, if there are people, we can compare based on their positions. Positions means somebody is a clerk, somebody is a PO, various positions in an office. We can also compare based on floor. So somebody lives on a smaller numbered floor, somebody lives on a taller numbered flow. So there can be many attributes through which we can have comparison type puzzles. So let us come to question number 1. Question number 1 says that there are 5 friends, Puneet, Kazir, Raman, Suresh and Tinku, and it is given based on their height. So this is basically a height based comparison. Height based comparison puzzle. Height based comparison puzzle. So this is a height based comparison puzzle. So 5 friends are there. Tinku is the shorter than only one friend. So let me say this is the taller side and this is the shorter side. How many people we have? 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Tinku is shorter than only one friend. That means only one friend will be taller than Tinku, because Tinku is shorter than only one. Correct? Only one will be taller than Tinku. Raman is the tallest among all friends. So definitely Raman will come at this position. Raman is the tallest. Raman is the tallest among all friends. Kazir is taller than only one person. That means Kazir will come over here because only one person will be shorter than Kazir, because Kazir is taller than only one person. Okay? It is given to us only 2 persons are shorter than Puneet. That means Puneet will come over here, because now if Puneet comes over here, we have only 2 persons shorter than Puneet. Correct? How many friends we had? 5. We have placed Puneet, we have placed Kazir, we have placed Raman, we have placed Tinku. The only person we have not placed is Suresh. So Suresh automatically comes over here. Correct? This will be my final arrangement. This will be my final arrangement. The question asks who is the shortest among all the friends. So I know Raman is the tallest. So Suresh will be the shortest person. And my answer will be option number 2, Suresh. Clear? My answer will be option number 2, Suresh. Coming to question number 2. Question number 2, the areas of 7 circles. So this is a area based comparison puzzle. Area based comparison puzzle. In this we are not dealing with people, but this is based on objects. Correct? We are comparing different objects based on their area. So 7 circles are given to us, C1, C2, C3, C4, C5, C6 and C7, and we are comparing them. Okay, it is given to us that the area of C2 is greater than C5 and less than C1. So I am taking this to be the greater side, okay, and this to be the smaller side. It is given to us the area of C2 is greater than C5 and less than C1. Less than C1. So the area of C2 is greater than C5 and less than C1. So they will come like this. Correct? Now another information says the area of C4 is greater than C7, less than C6. So area of C4 is greater than C7 and less than C6. So this information will come like this. Now it is given to us the area of C5 is more than C6. So area of C5 is more than C6. So automatically I can write C1, C2, C5, because the area of C5 is greater than C6. So this will be how I will place 6 people. 1 person is remaining. It is given to us area of C7 is the lowest. So this is the smallest person. Okay, this one is the smallest. The person remaining, we have placed C1, C2, we have placed C5, we have placed C6, we have placed C4 and we have placed C7. C7 is fixed. This position is fixed because we know that it is the lowest. So how many position we need more? We need 1 position more for C3, correct? We need 1 position for C3. So C3 can come here also. C3 can come here also. It can come here also. It can come here also. It can come here also. And it can come here also. So basically we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 possibilities for C3. Because none of the information tells us the exact position of C3. Correct? The question asks which of the following options is possibly correct. So definitely correct we cannot say, because definitely correct we only know, this is the sign, right? We only know that C7 is the lowest. But definitely correct, we cannot say for C3. So first option says C4 is less than C5. So here I can see that C4 is C4 is less than C5. The option 1 says C4 is greater than C5. So this is incorrect. Actually, C5 is basically more than C4. Correct? So this one is incorrect. Option number 2 says C4 is greater than C1. So I can clearly see C4 is less than C1, not greater than C1. So therefore, this is also incorrect. Option number 4 says C4 is greater than C2. I know that C2 or C4 is less than C2, not greater than C2. So this is also incorrect. These are definitely incorrect. Okay, these are definitely incorrect. These are 100% incorrect. Now we have to identify which is possibly correct. Now C3 is greater than C6. So we don't know the position of C3, right? So C3 can come here also, C3 can come here also, C3 can come here also, and C3 can come here also. If in these 4 positions C3 come, it will be definitely greater than C6. So this is a possibility. We have to identify which is possibly correct. So this is a possibility. It is not definitely correct, but it can be correct. Therefore, option number 3, C3 is greater than C6 will be my answer. Clear? This will be my answer. Coming to question number 3. Question number 3 says that there are 6 friends, Kushal, Keshav, Kishan, Kamal, Kanan and Kishore, and they are of different heights. So this is again a height-based comparison puzzle. Height-based comparison puzzle. Okay? Now, Keshav is taller than only 3 other friends. So, 6 friends. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I am taking this to be the taller side and I am taking this to be the shorter side. Okay? Keshav is taller than only 3 other friends. That means only 3 people are shorter than Keshav. So, Keshav will come over here because Keshav is taller than only 3 people. So, 1, 2, 3. Okay? Kishore is taller than Kaman only. So that means Kishore will come over here and Kamal will come over here because Kishore is taller only than Kamal. Correct? Kishore is taller than Kamal only. So Kishore will come over here. Kamal will come over here. Okay? Now, Kishan is shorter than Kushal only. That means Kushal will come over here and Kishan will come over here because Kishan is shorter than only Kushal. Only Kushal. Correct? So Kushal will come over here, Kishan will come over here. Now we have placed Kushal, we have placed Kishan, we have placed Keshav, we have placed Kamal, we have placed Kishore. The only person that is remaining is Kanan. That means Kanan will come over here. Correct? This will be my final arrangement. We have to answer who is the third shortest. So third shortest means we will start from this side. 1, 2, 3. Third shortest is Kanan, which is given in option number 4. Therefore, option number 4, Kanan, will be my answer. Clear? Coming to type 3, which is blood relation puzzle. Blood relation puzzle, I told you, this is basically, this particular question is blood relations plus coding and decoding. So, 2 concepts are being used. Coding and decoding. Okay? Now, these are the codes. A hashtag B means A is the sister of B. A@B means A is the daughter of B. A and B means A is the husband of B. And A%B means A is the father of B. These are the codes, correct? And this is the expression. This is the expression. We have to first make the family chart of this expression based on the codes. And then we have to answer the question. So, A%B means A is the father of B. So, A is the father of B. So, A is male, we don't know. Sorry, A is male, we know. But B's gender, we don't know. Okay. So, A is the father of B. Moving forward, we know B and C. That means B is the husband of C. So, B is the husband of C. So, B will be male, C will be female. Correct? Because B is the husband of C. Right? Now, I told you 3 things while solving blood relations. First is, do not assume gender. We do not assume gender in blood relation questions until unless we deduce it. So we do not assume gender. Second thing I told you is always draw a tree. Always draw a family tree. Correct? Always draw a family tree. This makes the question easier to solve. And third, I told you use different symbols and annotations. So I told you my annotations use different symbols. My symbols are that I use M and F to represent gender. I represent male by small m, F by female by small f. Similarly, I use this bond in the same generation to represent spouse relationship, and I use this bond in the same generation to represent a sibling relationship. Many people have different notations, different denotations, right? So you can make your own also. So this is mine. You can make out your own, or you can follow this also. Okay. Moving forward. C hashtag D means C is the sister of D. That means C has a sister D. Sorry, C has a sibling D. D's gender is not known. D at the rate E means D is the daughter of E. So D is the daughter. So D is female of E. E's gender is known, don't know, not known. We have to find out how is B related to E. So B is basically, E is the father of, sorry, E is the parent, I can say. Father, mother, we don't know. E is the parent of F and C, sorry, E is the parent of C and C is the spouse of B. Correct? E is the parent of C and C is the spouse of B, and B is male. That means B will be the son-in-law of E. So my answer will be option number 2, son-in-law. Clear? Question number 2. Again, similar concept. A at B means A is the husband of B. A and B means A is the mother of B. A hashtag B means B is the daughter of A. Now pay attention. It is not A is the daughter of B. It is B is the daughter of A. So this you have to pay attention to, okay? This particular one. Because it is not A is the daughter of B. Please keep in mind the correct code. A hashtag B means B is the daughter of A. Okay? So now first is G hashtag H. That means H is the daughter of G. So H is the daughter of G. So H will be female. G's gender we don't know. Moving forward, H and I means H is the mother of I. So H has a child I. I's gender is not known. I at the rate J means I is the husband of J. So I is the husband of J. I will be male and J will be female. Correct? J and K means J is the mother of K. So J, I and J also have a kid, K, and K's gender is not known. Okay, this much information is known to us. We have to identify how is H related to J. So H related to J, basically H is the mother of I. So H will be the mother-in-law of J because J is I's spouse. So my answer will be option number 4, mother-in-law. Clear? Coming to question number 3. Question number 3 says A plus B means A is the brother of B. A into B means A is the sister of B, and A divided B means A is the father of B. So these codes are given. A plus B means A is the brother of B. Okay? A into B means A is the sister of B. Correct? And A divided by B means A is the father of B. So these are the codes that are given to us. They are just written in this form. Okay? We have to identify in which of the following expression shows that P is the sister of R. So this should be definitely true. We have to identify in which of the options P is the sister of R is definitely true. So let us start with option number 1. P plus Q means P is the brother of Q. Correct? P is the brother of Q. P will be male. In the expression, P is the sister. So that means P is female. Correct? P is the sister. In this we get P is male, therefore we can eliminate this option. Coming to option number 2. Option number 2 says P is the brother of Q. Again plus sign. So P is the brother, that means P will be male and we need P to be female, therefore we can eliminate option number 2 as well. Okay? Coming to option number 3, P divided Q means P is the father of Q. P divided Q means P is the father of Q. That means again P is coming to be male. P is the father of Q. Therefore, we can eliminate this one also. Option number 3 is also eliminated. Coming to option number 4. Option number 4, we have P into Q. That means P is the sister of Q. So, P is female, sister of Q, and Q plus R means Q is the brother of R. Q is the brother of R. And if R is the sibling of Q, R will also be the sibling of P. So, P will be the sister of R. This we can identify using option number 4. So, option number 4 will be the correct answer to this question. Okay. So, in today's lecture, we discussed 3 types. In the next lecture, we will discuss the remaining 3 types. So, this concludes today's lecture. Thank you.